Good morning, students! Did you know about consonant sounds? And whatever your answer is, this video is for you. Are you ready to sing with us? Because we will be singing to learn and to have fun with my co-teachers, Mr. Vincent Guzon and Rachel Batingal. And by the way, there are 24 consonant sounds, and I hope that you learn and have fun with this video. So let's get in. Let's get started. First, you'll be singing with Mr. Guzon.
S for pencil, 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 pencil. S for back, 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 back. S for tie, 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 tie. S for dog, dog, dog. Dog is for cat, 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 cat. Is for guard, 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 guard. Is for food, 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 food.
And now, it's my turn to sing along with you. So, let's get in! It's for Van, 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 Van. It's for sun, 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 sun. It's for zoo, 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 zoo. It's for think, 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 think. It's for those, 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 those. Another one. Sh is for shake, sh. Shake, sh, sh, shake, sh, sh, shake. Sh is for measure, sh, sh, measure, sh, sh, measure, sh, sh, measure. Ch is for church, ch, ch, church, ch, ch, church, ch, ch, church. J is for jump, j, j, jump, j, j, jump, j, j, jump. Is for home, 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 home. And now, it's Miss Batingle's turn.
Is for money, 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 money. Is for number, 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 number. Is for singer, 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 singer. Is for like, 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 like. Is for runner, 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 runner. Yeah, is for yarn, yeah, yeah, yarn, yeah, yeah, yarn, yeah, yarn. Walk is for window, walk, walk, window, walk, walk, window, walk, window.
That's would be all. Thank you for learning and singing with us. Bye!